The future of AI in sales and marketing is increase in productivity. So if you are sitting there being like, I don't really know what sales campaign I want to write, that might take you a long time, weeks, 2 weeks, even months for some people. However, if I can go into an AI tool and say, hey, here's where my thoughts are, here's what I'm thinking, and I can chat with it back and forth and I can come up with some good ideas, that might take me a couple hours, and now I can start being creative, using my skills to figure out how to write a better sales campaign. From a marketing standpoint, maybe you're thinking about a creative idea, but you want to bounce it back and forth with someone. Well, you could always do that with a human, but at the same time, you may want to brainstorm in a silo. So ChatGPT is really good for just being like, hey, I have this idea. What are your thoughts on this? Or should I name this campaign? It gives you ideas on using your gut and instinct to then execute on it. However, this is not a copy and paste, hey, write out this campaign for me, copy and paste, like that's not gonna work for you. You need to use your skills, you need to use your insight to then layer into the ideas that you're creating through any AI tool to be successful.